Hello everyone, welcome to Family Fun Time. I'm Jared.
I'm Cullen. Hi.
And welcome to our channel. Today, I have a little challenge for you, Cullen.
Oh, good.
Do you think that you could take this balloon and one of these wooden kebab sticks and pass it through this balloon?
I guess.
Let's see.
Wait, how do you do?
Oh,
Does that work?
that didn't work. Now, let me show you, because I think I can do it. I'm going to take this balloon here, and I'm going to take this kebab stick,
Okay.
and we're going to try to go through this balloon. There we go.
You made it.
Took a little second there, but we did it.
Whoa! How did you do that, Dad?
Magic.
That's pretty cool.
Now we're going to show you how to do it. Here's what you're going to need to get started. Balloons.
Of course.
The smaller ones, if your sticks are not long enough, would be the best. But you're also going to need wooden kebab skewers and the magic to this trick. Cooking oil. The trick is to take your kebab stick and drop it into the cooking oil. Leave it in there for a couple seconds. We'll do two, since there's two of us.
Yeah.
And mix it around a little to make sure the oil gets onto the stick. The wooden stick soaks up the oil. Okay.
Take it off.
Shake off the excess. Here's yours.
Thank you.
Alright, now let's try this together.
Okay, let's
Now part of the trick is the bottom of the balloon is a little more thick than the rest of the balloon because of the expansion from the air. So if you take the wooden skewer stick and you line it up right next to where you tie the balloon up at, and slowly start to press into the balloon and twist back and forward in slow motions and pressing in at the same time until the kebab stick pokes through the balloon. See? Like that.
Mine didn't pop in yet.
Okay. You got to push a little harder than that. You can push into the balloon.
Okay, you gotta push into the balloon.
And twist the stick as you're pushing.
This
You have a hard time holding it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hold it and you stick your stick through the bottom. Okay, keep going. Twist it at the same time, slowly. And push. And push and twist.
It's in?
Not yet. There you go. Now you pop through. Once you get your stick into the balloon, you want to look on the top side of the balloon. And as you notice, you'll see a little dot that's a little darker than the rest of the balloon. That's the spot you're aiming for. So take your stick and slowly push and work yourself over. Look at the top if you have to. And, oh, Cullen popped his.
That's not fair.
Find the top hole. And once again, slowly twist and poke through.
This is.
And there you have it. And that's it. That's the trick. So now you can take what you learned here today and impress your friends and family at home. And if you enjoyed this trick and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.